the preparation of phenols. There are few methods for the preparation of phenols. Number one, from the haloarenes. Phenols are commonly known as carbonic acid, and it was first isolated in the early 19th century from the coal tar. So it is, you can say, the product of petroleum, crude petroleum. So from the haloalkane, we will take the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reacts with the NaOH in the temperature 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. It gives the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide is acid catalyzed and gives the phenol. So complete reaction, we will get phenol from this. The second method of the preparation of phenol is from benzene sulfonic acid. For the benzene sulfonic acid, benzene is sulfonated with the oleum. H2S2O7 is the oleum. It will give benzene sulfonic acid, which reacts with the NaOH, followed by the acid catalysis, catalyzed by the acid, and the phenol is product. The next method for the preparation of phenol is using the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene, in your previous chapter, haloalkane and haloarenes, you have done this diazotization. So we are using again the aniline in the present or any of the aromatic primary amine in the presence of sodium nitrate and the HCl at extremely cold condition, that is 0 degree to 4 degrees centigrade or 273 to 278 Kelvin. It will give us the benzene diazonium chloride, which warming in the presence of water gives the phenol. Here the elimination of the nitrogen takes place. The fourth method of the preparation of phenol is from cumene. It is a manufacturing method of the phenol. What is cumene? Cumene is formed by the reaction of the benzene with the propane. It will give the isopropyl benzene. Cumene is isopropyl benzene, and in the presence of oxygen, it is oxidized to give the cumene hydroperoxide, and which is converted to the phenol by treating it with the H ion or the dilute acid. And two very important products, main product phenol and the byproduct acetone is formed. So in this way we have completed the preparation of phenol. So once again I am going to summarize that there are four methods for the preparation of phenol. The number one with the chlorobenzene, number two with the oleum and the benzene, and the third one is the benzene diazonium chloride, and the fourth one is by the cumene.